3, go. Hello mga kapengyo! Yo, yo, yo! For today's video, ay share namin sa inyo ang buhay namin dito sa Taiwan. Alright, so first, na unang gagawin namin ay si Deb mag-share sa inyo kung paano nga ba magsalita ng Chinese Mandarin. So, Deb, can you share some examples of Mandarin words that you have learned in school?
Yeah.
All right, let's start first with counting 1 to 20.
Chinese?
Yes.
1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10、11、12、13、14、15、16、17、18、19、20、21、22、23、24、25、26、27、28、
30. All right, it's 1 to 30. So instead of 20, she counted 1 to 30 instead. All right, so what else? What else? Ano pa yung...
Count.
Okay, no. I mean is ano pa yung na-learn mo sa school? Okay, can you tell Chinese of this one? Thank you.
谢谢.
I want to buy milk tea.
大. No.
I want to buy milk tea. Ooh.
我想买奶茶.
All right, how much?
多少?
That. Good morning, teacher Nikki.
Asa din?
Ciao.
早安.
老师
Nikki, 早安.
All right, so it means Nikki, good morning. So mas una yung noun sa kanila. Tapos yung greetings. What else? Like what else? What are other words that you have learned? Okay, here. Big sister, big brother.
大哥哥，大姐姐.
All right. Can you sing a song to them? Sing a song.
我想 sing a song.
Katong na 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 how an.
你笑得人真好看，你我的来呀，我的来的，我的来的，你笑得人真好看，我的来呀，啦啦啦啦啦啦啦啦啦啦看。
All right. So, yeah. And how about hurry up?
快一点，
Again, hurry up.
快一点。
Okay, so yun yung mga example ng mga Chinese words na nalalaman ni Deb sa school. Actually, ano lang siya, 2 months and half sa school niya.
Ay, magkadaw na dito na ni mama ko. Dito.
Alright, so, though it's very expensive kasi yung point lang naman talaga namin, kaya namin siya pinalagay doon sa kindergarten, parang care is, para hindi siya palaging magagamit ng cellphone dito sa bahay. Kasi usually, gumagamit lang siya ng cellphone and wala siyang kalaro, wala siyang social life. So, yeah, it's very expensive. It's like 6,700. It's in Taiwan dollar, the monthly. And then, excluding...
Mami, ulan ito ba si daddy?
Meron. Excluding pa yung enrollment fee niya. So, just for 2 months and half. Kasi, matagal namin nalaman yung school. So, and hindi naman siya tatanggapin sa public school kasi nga wala siyang Mandarin ba. So, good thing din doon sa kindergarten school is na learn niya yung yung Mandarin niya kasi yung environment niya is nagsasalita ng Mandarin. At the same time, what I'm very thankful din sa school niya is she learns to be independent. Kasi dito, talaga, ma-learn ka talaga na being independent yung bata kasi ikaw talaga gumagawa ng, like yung pag-clean ng bahay. Yes, so tinuturuan sila sa school nila. Kaya, thankful din ako. So, yun siya. And what else? What else did you learn in school, Deb? Ano pa? Chinese words.
Okay.
Yung wag mo na lang yung kunin. Kunin niya yung book niya. Hindi din natin yun
Kasi buhok. Dili na ko kunin na buhok.
Book. I said book.
Ang sabi ko, mag-read ko book.
Huwag ka na mag-read. Okay, halika na dito. Okay, can you just say goodbye to everybody?
Bye! See you tomorrow!
In Chinese. Sai. Sai Tian. Alright, so that's it for today, everybody. I hope if you have any questions, right? So for those viewers that would like to bring their kids or their family in Taiwan while you work in Taiwan, you can ask question in the comment section below, and we're gonna try our best to answer all of your questions.
Lipstick na ko.
Yeah, and that's it for today, everybody. All right, say
goodbye.
Bye, Eden. Bye, Eden. Bye, everybody.